Hi all, in the previous video we have seen what are input functions and then print function. In this video we will be seeing what are expressions and different types of expressions supported by Python. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to my videos and don't forget to share it and like it. Now let us begin with what are expressions. Now what are expressions? Expressions is nothing but a combination of operators and operands. Now what do you mean by operators? It can be an arithmetic operator plus, it can be a relational operator greater than or equal to, it can be a logical operator, and so this is operators. It can be anything, arithmetic operator or relational operator or logical operator, so it can be anything. So it is a combination of operators and operands. And when you say operands, it is nothing but identifiers and literals, variables. Variables, literals are called as operands. Example, if I write A plus P, A and B are operands and plus is operator. Plus is operator and A and B are operands. So expression is a combination of operators and operands. Now what are different types of expressions supported by Python? The very first thing is arithmetic expression, then relational expression, logical expression and string expression. Now we will see one by one what are arithmetic expressions. Now let us see arithmetic expressions. Now in arithmetic expressions, it will have operators like plus, minus, division, modulus. This is floor division, and this one is multiplication operator, and this one is exponentiation operators. So it is an expression which is a combination of operands and these operators, arithmetic expression. Now suppose if you have got an expression with multiple operators, then how they will be evaluated? They will be evaluated according to the precedence. So very first precedence is given to parenthesis. So whatever expression is written within this parenthesis, that will be evaluated first, and then exponentiation will be evaluated second, then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So it follows the rule PEDMAS. That means first parenthesis, then exponentiation, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then comes the subtraction. So this rule it follows. Suppose I have got a simple expression. I have got, suppose A is equal to 3 plus 2. I have got a variable, and I'm trying to store 3 plus 2. So it will evaluate 3 plus 2 and it will store in A, and I'm just writing print A. So what will be the output? It is simple. The output would be 5. Suppose I write the same thing. I write in a different form. Suppose I write 3.0 plus 2. Now what will be the output? If I write print A. Now what will be the output here in this case? One operand is in the floating point type and another operand is in integer type. Now what will be the type of output? Now we know the answer is 5, but the answer will be 5.0, not 5. Because what will happen is, if you have mixed type of data types like this, Python will convert all other operands to the data type of an operand which is of larger type. So it will convert 2 to floating point type, float type. So what will happen? Ultimately the answer will be 5.0. The output would be 5.0 because Python is converting 2 to floating point. So this is called as type promotion. Type promotion. So what do you mean by type promotion? Python will automatically convert the operands to higher data type. Higher data type if it is present in the expression. Higher data type of an operand which is present in the expression. Okay. So this is about type promotion, which is automatically done by Python. Now suppose I am just writing an expression. Now let us see what will be the output. 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 5 by 2. Now how this one will be evaluated and what will be the output? Now as I said, it will follow the PEDMAS rule. Very first thing is it will be evaluating the sub expression which is in parenthesis. So this will be 5 into 4 minus 5 by 2 first step, and then it will be evaluating the division sub expression which is having division. So this will be 5 into 4 minus, this will be 2.5, and then it will be evaluating the multiplication. It will be evaluating the multiplication. This will be 20 minus 2.5, and the answer would be finally 17.5. This will be the output. The output will be in floating point, because the division always returns you the value in floating point. The division and modulus both will be returning you the output in floating point type, and this one is floor division, especially this will return you in the form of integer division. Okay, so this is the order of precedence it follows. Now we will see what are relational expressions. So these are expressions which are having relational operators in it. So what are different relational operators? The different relational operators are greater than, then lesser than sign, then greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, and not equal to. These are different relational operators. Now these operators, that is relational expressions, give you output as either true or false. It will give you output either true or false. Suppose I have got A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Now if I use a relational operator like this, print 3 greater than 4. What would be the answer? Is 3 greater than 4? No, it is false. So the answer would be false. If I write print A equal to B, what will happen? What will be the answer? Is A equal to B? No. Again you will get answer as false. If you want, you can store it in a variable also. This output I can write A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, then I can write C is equal to A is not equal to B. I can store the value of this one. So A is not equal to B? Yes, this is true. So what will be the value of, if I write print C, the value of C would be true. It will return you, this will give you answer as true. Yes. So this is how relational expressions give you output as either true or false. Suppose I have got a chained expression. chained expression like A greater than B and less than C. If you have got like this, then how this expression will be evaluated? So this will be evaluated as A is greater than B and B is less than C. It will be evaluated as A is greater than B and B is less than C. The chained relational expression, it will be evaluated like this. So what will be the output in this case? Suppose I have got C is equal to 10. Now how this one will be evaluated? A is greater than B, 3 is greater than 4 and 4 is less than 10. So how this one will be? 3 is greater than 4? No, this is false. This one is false. And 4 is less than 10? Yes, this one will be true. So false and true, it will give you answer as false. This we will be seeing when you are evaluating the when I am explaining the logical operators. This one I will be explaining in deep. For now I am just saying, if you are given a chained expression like this, how it will be evaluated? It will be evaluated like this: A is greater than B and B is less than C. It will evaluate like this. So this is about relational expression.